What is the most important thing you should be working on in your business but are not, and why? I posted this question in a Facebook group, and one of the responses I received was from a mobile auto repair person. They said, marketing because I'm broke, so I do it myself. And as a business owner, I understand the challenge when there is no budget for marketing for whatever reason. And I did some research on their Facebook business page and found they had great reviews, but they ended in 2023. I mean, they were all 5 stars. And it's currently 2025. So there's quite a bit of a time gap there. But I replied, you have some great reviews from 2023, and an organic marketing suggestion would be to screenshot each positive post and include those in your social media post when posting about your auto repair business. Also, you can reach out to recent customers for more recent reviews. But stats show that 93% of potential customers rely on the experiences of others when making a decision on a business they're going to use for whatever service they're looking for. So, this approach of posting frequently, like every day or every other day, with social proof of your services from reviews, is a great, no cost, organic marketing effort, which can boost client acquisition in a short amount of time.